In June 2025, the leader of Conservative Party, Kemi Badenoch, set 5 policy tests. I was asked to provide legal advice on whether it will be feasible to achieve various policies goals within those tests, while the UK still remained a signatory to European Convention on Human Rights. So now you begin to understand why they want to leave this European Convention on Human Rights. But that is not going to solve the current migration issues. Rather, even though they leave the ECHR, which is European Convention on Human Rights, their courts are going to be flooded with a whole lot of suits by people's rights being abused, by people fighting deportation, which at the end of the day, it will look like they are indirectly shooting themselves on their own legs. You know, when I see things like this, sometimes I ask myself that the Europeans, they think that African nations or the third world countries are not looking at the way they are treating migrants, or that they are not seeing that the so-called democracy they are preaching, that they are not practicing it to the latter. Yes, and that's why you see that some leaders in third world countries who are acquainted with what is happening in the West, when they decide to go some certain miles and people from the West start talking that they are abusing human rights, they don't listen to it, because they know that the people that are preaching human rights are not keeping to it to the latter.